For this recipe, you require chicken thighs, which is already deskinned and deboned. This is going to give a more richer, tastier flavor to this recipe. Of course, you can use chicken breast if you prefer. You will also need some spice mix, which contains salt, garlic, ginger, peppers and parsley. Use any spice mix of your choice. I will include pepper flakes, dry rosemary, thyme, paprika, and drop in some oil. You're going to coat everything perfectly. Marinate for 30 minutes to 1 good hour. I will set this aside. All ingredients will be listed in the description section. Please check out for details. So my wok is ready, heated. I'll add a little bit of oil and begin to fry the chicken on high heat. Okay folks, so the frying process is going to last between 8 to 10 good minutes until you have your own preferred chicken appearance. I love mine to be golden browned or browned. Okay, yes, this helps the chicken to taste crispy on the outside and more richer, delicious on the inside. Once I have achieved this color and appearance, I will set every single one of them out, and please make sure you fry on both sides. Alright, so in the same wok, I will throw in some chicken sausages. That's because my kids love some chicken sausages, especially in their wrap. Once it is ready, I will set it out after 3 to 5 minutes frying process. In another neat bowl, I'm going to include some mayonnaise. At the same time, I will include some sweet yogurt, ketchup, wrap sauce, apple cider vinegar. For the apple cider vinegar, you can use lemon or any other vinegar of your choice. I'll drop in some black pepper and then salt to taste. Just a little pinch of salt. Take your time, mix everything to combine until you have a uniform appearance. Then I will divide the mixture into 2 segments and begin to include some soft cabbage, carrots, cucumbers, sweet red bell peppers, onions. Mix everything now to combine until you have an even appearance, just to make sure everything is well coated with the sauce that we have prepared. If you don't want to mix it, you can also leave the vegetables raw and apply it on the wrap. So once everything is perfectly mixed and yummy, as you can see, I will set it out. These vegetables can also be used as salads for your side meals. Alright, so the chicken we prepared earlier on, I've gone ahead to cut and divide them into little sizes just so that it can be applied on the wrap. This is the tortilla wrap. I'm using the soft plain type. Okay, so I'll drop in some of the sauce and coat it on top of the wrap, and then apply the chicken together with the sausage, and then begin to top it up with the vegetables. The quantity you add is just up to you. You can reduce or increase just according to how you want it to be, and then I will fold it properly and set it aside. Okay, lovely. So to proceed to the next step, I will apply some little butter quantity on top of my toaster and then place all the wraps on top of it. Then I will coat the top surface with a little bit more butter, just so that we'll achieve that browned lined surface. I will cover it to toast between 3 to 5 good minutes, and this is what you're going to have. So the time has come. After the toasting method, you're just going to serve, but before then I'll use knife and cut off the edges of the wraps just for a neat presentation. This is what you're going to have. Just take a good look at the internal layer of this sumptuous delicacy. You're going to love the outcome of this recipe. It is so addictive. You're going to make it for your family and kids every day. Thank you so much for joining me here. We are going to draw the curtain. Don't forget to like, share this video with your friends, and remember, variety is the spice of life. Bye for now.